Hi children, we are we are learning measurement, capacity. Now, we need to look at some measuring vessels. When you say capacity, measuring of liquid, different liquids, the milk and oil and diesel and water, anything. And there are special vessels to measure this. That means you need correct. You need 50 milliliter of milk, or we need 500 milliliter of milk, whatever. So we are going to look very carefully at the measuring vessels available in the market. Sometimes when you go to the oil shop, you might find this. You ask daddy to take you. All right? So let's look at the measuring vessels, especially oils and milk and water. You use vessels. That's very interesting vessels. It's lovely shape too. Let's look at them. Look at this beautiful shape, isn't it? Sometimes you see this in the market. This is a 1 liter vessel. 1 liter, how you write? Short form L. So you can put into this water or oil or milk or anything. 1 liter capacity. It's a lovely shape, isn't it? They fill it up and look at the nozzle. You can easily pour it into bottles and cans. So this is the biggest one. Next you have smaller cans with smaller milliliter, whatever. Okay, so this is the biggest curd. Next, here, this is a half size of that vessel. 500 milliliter, 500. You can measure oil or milk or water or petrol, anything you can put in and pour it into bottles and cans with the nozzle. So this is short form of milliliter, ml. So this is 500, half 1 liter. Good. Next. This is smaller than the 500. This is 200 milliliter, 200 ml. This vessel can hold only 200 ml of whatever liquid you are trying to measure. Yes? Next. This can hold only 100 ml, 100 milliliter of any liquid it can hold. Next. 50, this is the smallest can, the smallest vessel available to measure 50 milliliter of any liquid. Smallest. 50 is the smallest. Yes? Good. 1 liter is the biggest. Now, let's look at all of them. All the little cans that we looked at. Liter is big, milliliter is small measuring capacity. So these vessels are very cute, aren't they? In this you can measure 1 liter of any liquid, and in this 500 ml of any liquid, and here 250, half of this ml of any liquid, and then here 100 ml, and finally 50 ml. So 50 ml is the smallest measuring vessel here, and the biggest here is 1 liter. So these are the vessels used for measuring any liquid that you would like to transfer from one vessel to the other. Curd. Now, that is one shape. This I am sure you might have seen, where the oil or milk is sold, you will find this. Yes? And this has got a hook-like thing, you can put it on the can, on the bucket or whatever the liquid holds. liter, milliliter. Now this is the biggest. This can, it's like a cylindrical can with a hook. You can put it so that it doesn't go into the huge vessel that holds the liquid. Here, 1 liter. It can hold 1 liter, this vessel. And the next one, it can hold 500. You might have seen this with the milkman, oil man. Yes? Oil merchant. And this can hold 250 milliliters and finally 100 milliliters. So you have the biggest and the smallest. And you write liter L. In this vessel, we can measure any liquid, milk or oil or what, anything. Now, the biggest is liter, milliliter, smaller denomination capacity. You can measure 500 milliliters of oil or milk or whatever. This is the biggest and the short form is L. And this is the smallest, 100 milliliter. So the biggest and the smallest. These are measuring vessel.